Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by verifying prerequisites: algebra manipulation, trig identities, and basic limit intuition. This prevents wasted time later. Once done, create a focused 12-week block with daily 45 to 60-minute sessions so progress is measurable. Make sure to pick one core textbook for explanations, one problem book for drill, and the official AP practice exams for timing. You'll build momentum quickly when early weaknesses are handled and materials are organized. You now move through BC-specific topics: sequences and series, Taylor polynomials, and parametric and polar representations. Study one major topic per week. While studying, spend 20% of time on concept clarity and 80% on problem practice to build procedural fluency. Once you complete sets, simulate timed sections weekly to improve pacing and exam feel. Make sure to perform error analysis. Annotate every mistake. Rework incorrect problems until you can solve them twice without hints. You finish by simulating 3 full AP exams over the final 2 weeks, spacing them so recovery and review happen between tests. This reveals pacing and weak FRQ types to target. Once complete, polish calculator use, notation consistency, and quick algebraic shortcuts to save time on test day. If progress stalls, reduce scope to high-value topics like series and integration techniques. Then ask a teacher or tutor-focused questions. This targeted help resolves sticking points fastest.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.